Well, hello, marketers. Now, have you ever got this suspicious feeling that you are really being followed by someone over the internet? As if we really have some sort of internet stalkers. So let's use it Amazon someday to check out this laptop for yourself. And then from the very next day, you start getting the same laptop ad when you visit any third-party website, application, or even a game. If not so, then let's say you visit Google for a digital marketing course. And then, yet again, you start getting the same website ads which you have visited on all of your devices. And now you are really wondering what exactly is stalking you over the internet. So the thing which stalks all of us over the internet is called as cookie. So a cookie is simply a small piece of information which gets saved into our devices whenever we visit a website. So let me ask you something. What do we get if we eat something or even if we drink something into our bodies? We get two things. It's glucose or sugar. Similarly, when you visit any website over the internet like Amazon, this website saves something into a device which is called as first party cookie. Not only that, it also helps companies like Google and Meta to save their cookies into our devices, which is called as third party cookie. And this third party cookie is actually responsible for showing all the remarketing ads to us over the internet. And now the question is, why do we even need remarketing or retargeting ads? So we humans do not convert, connect, or buy anything on the first interaction. So it's like when you meet someone for the first time as a human, you just do not become a friend. When you see an ad of a car, maybe of a TV or a mobile phone, you just don't buy that product. What you do, you simply wait, you engage with other people, you take the feedback, you check out the pricing, you check out the specifications, and then you take a decision. While you are thinking about buying this product, through this remarketing ads, companies are actually following up with you. Following up means the companies are showing the ads to you again that now we have a price breakdown, or now we have some additional features of the product. Why don't you buy the product? We are actually telling customer that you have added something in the cart. It's time to buy the product. So basically, through the remarketing ads, we are actually converting the traffic who came on the website for the first place into a conversion, into a sale. And now it's time to understand how do we actually create a remarketing campaign. Now the problem is we don't have any data with us to create a remarketing campaign. So before we create any remarketing campaign, we have to collect some data, which means we simply have to create a remarketing list via Google, and we need to install this Google tag on the website that we are promoting. So let's say if we want to start remarketing for this website in the project, which is springtails.shop, we simply have to add a remarketing code on the website first. Now, once this code is installed, we'll be getting the information of people who are coming on this website. This information will be actually going to Google Ad account, and from that list of information, we can simply create a remarketing campaign. Now, let's talk about how do we actually start the process of running a remarketing campaign. So we simply have to come into Google Ad account, go to tools and settings, and then audience manager. Now within the audience manager, we have to look for an option called as your data sources. From here, let's look into Google Ads tag and click on details. Now in the details, we have to search for a tag by Google. Now this code, which is a Google Ads code, simply needs to be copied and pasted on all the pages of this website, any website that you're trying to promote. Now, if you simply don't have any development knowledge, then you can simply email this code to your developer, and the developer will be adding the code on each and every page of the website. If you have some development knowledge, like I do have some development knowledge, so what I can do, I can simply go back to the coding part of this website. So this site is made in Shopify. So I can simply go to the Shopify portal, come into themes, and go to edit this theme somewhere from here, edit code. And then I can look for a liquid theme, search for ending of the head tag somewhere from here, HEAD, and then this remarketing code simply needs to be installed on this page. Saving it over here means this remarketing code is being added on each and every page of this website. And now we also have two tools to actually verify if this remarketing code is added successfully or not. The new tool is called as Tag Assistant Companion. So what I can do, I can simply add Tag Assistant in my Google Chrome browser and I can run it from here. Running this tool is going to tell me what all Google codes I have on this website. So now I can see this code, which is AW1133777041, is our remarketing code from here. So once this code is verified, it's time to simply create the remarketing campaign. So we simply come into Google Ad account and create a display campaign. So basically, remarketing is not a separate campaign in Google Ad account, or even the RLSA campaign is not a separate campaign in Google Ad account. We simply have to create a display campaign and connect this display campaign with a remarketing list, with an audience list. And this campaign will finally become a remarketing campaign. Into the Google Ad account, go to the campaign option, click on campaign sign, click on new campaign, and start making the campaign with the objective of sales. Then we click on continue. We choose the campaign type as display because we have to create a display campaign first. And then in campaign name, we type in name like Spring Tales Remarketing Campaign. It's not really necessary that you provide the website link over here, but eventually we have to provide this website link while making the ad copies. Then we click on continue. We create a new campaign by clicking on start new. And then we have to provide the target locations. Now, people who have seen the previous videos would know that we had this media planning sheet through here. And in this media planning sheet, we have decided that we'll be making a dynamic remarketing campaign with a monthly budget of 1000 rupees. So we have not decided to make a remarketing campaign in this project. But before we make a dynamic remarketing campaign, it's really important to know how do we create a normal remarketing campaign. So now let's go with the same settings for normal remarketing as of now. So in target location, we have to choose Delhi, Noida, and Gurgaon. Cool. And now we click on next. We simply have to add the daily budget as 33 rupees. This is something which we can pick from the media planning sheet. Then we don't want to focus on conversion as of now. We simply want to focus on bidding amount. So we click on this option, which takes us to maximize clicks. From here, we also provide a bid limit of 2 rupees, which means we don't want to get charged by Google more than 2 when somebody click on the ad copy. Then we click on next. In the targeting option, now this is a very important part of setting up a remarketing campaign. We simply have to add the targetings over here because till now it's a display campaign. Making it remarketing means we simply have to add the audience list over here. So we simply get into audience segments. Then we look into browse. We get into how they have interacted with your business, your data segment list. And then we click on website visitors. And now we go with this list, which is for all visitors who have visited on the website. Now, this list is not having the information of people right now because we have just added the remarketing list into our website. Now we scroll down and we always remember to uncheck this option of optimize targeting. Optimized targeting means Google may find more people beyond the target signals, beyond the target list, which we don't want. So we always uncheck this option. And now this display campaign is simply becoming a remarketing campaign because the ads are limited to show up into this audience. This is the list of people who have come on the website. Now we simply click on next. Recommended a few of the headlines and descriptions to us. We are going with same headlines and descriptions as of now. And then the ad preview is going to look something like this. Now we simply click on create ad, then next. And now finally it's time to publish our remarketing campaign. Now, as we have completed the remarketing campaign creation part, it's time to simply do the exercises. So people who are watching this 20 hours Google Ads practical training course, I want you to do the 3 exercises for this module. Starting with pull up the remarketing code from the Google Ad account and share it with the developer to get it added on all the pages of the website. Number 1. Then create a remarketing list for users going to a specific page in Google Ad. So normally when we create a remarketing list, it's for audience who are coming on any page of the website. The question is, how do we create a remarketing list for users going to a specific page? So let's say we want to create a remarketing list for audience who are going to this product page, which is diamond drop page. So what you do, you simply get into Google Ad account, you go to tools and settings, you go to audience manager, and then you create a new list from here. You click on website visitors, you name this list as diamond drop page visitor. Then you have to refine an action where the page URL contains diamond drop, this URL. So making this list means anyone who is coming into this page is going to be added in this list. This list is only for people who are coming to the diamond drop page. And then we could simply click on create segment, and this list is created, which says diamond drop page visitors. Now, in the third exercise, what I want from you is to finally create a remarketing campaign with 2 ad groups. In the first group, you target all the visitors, which means you simply target the normal remarketing list. In the second ad group, you target the visitors of a specific page, which could be a normal page of the website, which could also be a add to cart page, depending on how your websites are having the pages. And now I'll see you in the next video.